Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an Acura RSX starter. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked on a level surface with the engine completely cool. For your safety, always begin by disconnecting the negative battery cable. Usually a 10mm wrench will do the trick. Then, locate the starter motor. It is typically situated on the driver's side, near the transmission bell housing. Now that the battery is disconnected, we need to clear some space. You'll likely need to remove the air intake system, which usually involves loosening a few clamps and hoses. Next, unbolt and remove the battery itself, followed by the battery tray. This will give you much better access to the starter motor, which is often tucked away. Be gentle with any surrounding wires. With clear access, it's time to disconnect the old starter. First, remove the main power wire, typically a 13mm nut, and then the smaller solenoid wire. Next, you'll find two mounting bolts, usually 14mm, holding the starter to the transmission. Once these are removed, carefully wiggle and pull the old starter out from its tight spot. It might take a little effort. Now, let's install your new starter. Carefully slide the new starter into position, ensuring it aligns correctly with the transmission housing. Reinstall and tighten the two mounting bolts. Then, reconnect the solenoid wire and the main power wire, making sure all connections are snug. Finally, reverse your steps. Reinstall the battery tray, the battery, and the air intake system. Don't forget to reconnect the negative battery terminal last.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.